Fiona.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Kiernan.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? Are you 13? Are you 14? Are you 15? Are you 16? Are you 17?
Alright, be careful with that.
Are you 18? Are you 19? Are you 20? Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23? Are you 24? Are you 25? Are you 26?
Yep, she's 26.
26? Are you 27? Are you 28? Are you 29? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60? Are you 61? Are you
Alright,
62?
now you're going to get in trouble here, so you better stop soon.
Are you 61?
I don't know. We should ask her.
Okay.
So,
How old are you?
alright, say have a good time this weekend.
Have a good time this weekend.
Alright, say goodbye, Kiernan.
I hope you feel better. I hope you feel better.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Come to my show next week.
Bye-bye.